Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to open a Facebook group. I'll show you step by step how to start a Facebook group. You can open it right here on your Facebook account. Okay, so the very first thing you do is to make sure that you have a Facebook account. As you can see, this is my account right here. Make sure you have an account. This is mine. The next thing you do guys is to make sure that you are on the home screen. Go to the home tab right here, click on the home tab, and when you click you get the screen that looks similar to mine. When you're on your home tab, you look to your left side of the screen. You can see various options: your profile name and picture, friends, pages, most recent, and you can see groups. Click on where it says groups. When you're on groups, you get a page similar to mine. Still on the left side, you can see right here it says create new group. Click right there. It loads up this page, and then you can look to your left as well and you enter your group name. Okay, we can type in here group name. Okay, let's say test group YouTube. Okay, next thing you choose the privacy of your group. For instance, you can choose public or private. For the public, anyone can see who's in the group and what they post. For the private, only members can see who's in the group and what they post. Let's say we want to make it public. And next thing is we can invite friends. So what you do is you can invite friends to probably join your group, or like your to join your group. Actually, here you can invite friends right here. Let's say I want to invite these guys here. You can invite them by entering their names or their email addresses right here. Let's say I want to do this and enter this guy's email name right here, and let's say someone's name starts with John something. Let's say this. These are just examples, guys. So just invite whoever you want to invite as a friend. So these guys who are invited are already friends of mine. That's why I'm able to invite them. So you cannot see somebody who's not your friend right here, as you can see. So next thing I do, guys, is to click on create. Once I create, my group is formed and these people are invited. Let's go ahead and click on create. So it's loading, it's creating, and this is my test group YouTube YT, as you can see right here. And the people I invited have been invited already, so they'll see notifications somewhere here on their own tab, and they can see that I've invited them to join my group. So that's how you can create a group, make it private or public, and invite people to join your group. So that's my group right here. And to make it more customized, you can decide to change this picture right here by editing the picture right here. You can change it, you can choose a picture from your photos, or you can upload a new photo altogether. So if you're making a new photo, make sure that the photo has the same dimension as this so you can fit appropriately. And then you can see right here, this is how you create a group. You can post anything on your group right here by writing something right here, and that's how you post in your group. All right, guys, that has been how to create a group on Facebook. Hope it was helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, and see my next video. Bye for now.